Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. And in this video, I will explain things you need to know about making payments with foreign bank card on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app and how refund actually work. And decide, are you sure you are going to get your refund back successful into your bank card if you make payments with a foreign bank card on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app? If this is interesting to you, I really want to know exactly what is behind this issue of making payments with foreign bank card and refund process on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app is concerned. Consider to stay tuned to this video and remember to share this video to your loved ones that are using Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app to source and ship payment and ship products from China, and likewise they are making payments with their Master or Visa foreign bank card. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure Lincoln 1688, Tauba, Pinduoduo, or Fish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So like I said earlier in the beginning of this video, someone reached out to me on my WhatsApp about Pinduoduo payments with bank card and the refund problem. And I decided to make a video about this so it will help a lot of people to be aware of this particular issue and pay proper attention when they are trying to source and ship products from China, and the best means of payment method you need to be using right now, especially if you are a foreigner and you are trying to ship from China, using Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. Let me show you how. So I have a case study right here and I'm going to show you. I'm going to open up my WhatsApp right here. So I'm going to open up my WhatsApp. Now take a look at this particular person right here. So this person contacts me on my WhatsApp right here. You can see hello. And this is the message right here. Good evening, sir. Please, if I make payment on Pinduoduo with my bank card and I requested for refund, will I get the money back to my account? And this is my response right here. Yes, but it will take much time before you get it. Now, let us listen to the audio note right here. This is actually happened, and I want everyone to be aware.
Sir, how is the family, sir? Please, sir, I'm one of your students on YouTube, as you know. I've been facing this issue with and when I bought the iPhone, I actually shipped it to my warehouse. Receive it on my package list. It's like a logistic. I complained back to the sellers that I did not receive this item yet. I put it on paper. So after like 3 days, now send me a form that I should request for refund. And I use my GTB bank card. That's why I was asking if I ask for refund. They refund to my bank account. I will send you the pictures. Please, should I? I will send you the pictures. Please, should I request for refund? Does it mean that they did not ship it or the iPhone is in my warehouse? They are waiting for me to apply for refund so I can go and collect it. I don't know. Sir, please guide me on this issue. Thank you, sir.
Let's quickly listen to the second voice note right here.
Sent, and I was not the one that I did not request for refund. Should I go ahead and request for refund? Let me patiently wait. If the money gets into my bank account, I will rebuy the phone. But I should be patient. If China resume from holiday, I will see if they will update it in my package list. And I've been receiving other items on my package list. Even this morning, I received some items on my package list. But the phone has not been sent to the package list.
So these are the audio notes from this particular person right here, and this is my response right here, as you can see, and these are all my response. Okay, now what I literally said here is that it will be of a good thing if this particular person make payment with Alipay. It is very easy for this type of a refund. Okay, so you can see my response right here. But now you make payments with your bank card. Now there are two things involved. If you make payments with bank card on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app and you have issue of a refund like this, don't be 100% sure that you are getting your money back. Do not be 100% relaxed that you are getting your money back, because you are using foreign bank card. And I always say this: whenever you want to make a purchase on Pinduoduo or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, consider to use Alipay, because Alipay is payment system that is very much easy for Chinese people to process the payment or refund or what have you, or any tracking of fraud or risk in transaction as far as Alipay is concerned. But once it comes to issue of foreign bank card, it is always complicated for them. Now, this person here now, it is not 100% guaranteed that they are getting this money back. This is a bitter truth, because they make use of foreign bank card, Nigerian bank card for that matter. Now, my recommendation for this particular issue here is that if this person here can go and meet with the bank manager of the issuer bank card that they make use to make payment on Pinduoduo, whether it is Visa or MasterCard, if they can liaise with the bank manager or senior customer representative in this particular category of transaction online payment with GTB Bank, if they can liaise with them and do proper follow-up, that is the only way they can get back this money. The refund was actually successful. Let me open this screenshot and then you can see. So this is the process of the refund right here, and this is the successful submission of the refund. The refund was submitted successful, but the problem there is that the money was not reflected back to the bank card. And this issue here is not issue from Pinduoduo. It is the issue of bank that has to do with international payment. So they have to make sure that they pressurize the bank issuer of that bank card before they can get their money. So until this turn to green, that is only when that you can be sure that the money has been successfully landed into your bank card. It's that simple. So in a nutshell, when you are trying to source cheap products from China and you are trying to make payments with your bank card, whether Visa or MasterCard, make sure that the product is something that your shipping company can ship, and make sure that the supplier have the particular product in stock enough before you place order, to avoid this type of problem of refund issue. Lastly, if you really want to be more secure when you are trying to source ship products from China using Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, consider to use Alipay payment option. For its security, refund process smoothly, and everything about transaction smoothly with between Pinduoduo and Alipay, it is 100% guaranteed. It's that simple. If you still have questions for me as far as this particular tutorial is concerned about Pinduoduo and refund, or whatever issue you might have whatever issue you might have with your China importation, consider to put your question in the comment section down below. And lastly but not the least, you can also reach out to me on my WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. Let me see how I can be of help if you have any issue with your 1688, Pinduoduo, Taobao, or any Chinese e-commerce or app. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.